In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save or download images from Microsoft Designer. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. It doesn't matter if you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, any of them will do. Once you're ready, type Microsoft Designer into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to the official Microsoft Designer homepage. Now, you'll see the Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. You'll then be prompted to enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, this is a great time to make one, as it will unlock all the powerful features that Microsoft Designer has to offer. Once you're signed in and you've accessed your project, it's important to ensure that your design meets all your goals. Make sure every detail aligns with your overall theme, from colors and fonts to the layout. This is your chance to review and perfect everything before finalizing your output. With your design ready and set to go, direct your attention again to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Download button, which is essential for our next steps, so click it. After clicking the Download button, you'll be presented with various file format options. Let me break them down to help you choose the right one. If you're aiming for high-quality images and possibly need a transparent background, select the PNG format. This is ideal for designs where background flexibility is key, as PNG supports transparency. If, however, your design doesn't require transparency, you could opt for the JPG format. This is a standard option, good for most image needs, but remember, it doesn't support transparent backgrounds. And then there's the MP4 format. If your project involves animated elements or video, this is definitely the format you'll want to choose. For those of you who have selected PNG, there's also a handy feature that allows you to choose a transparent background before downloading. This is especially useful if you're looking to isolate objects such as individuals or animals from the background, giving you more creative control in future projects or presentations. Finally, confirm your configuration and simply click the Download button one last time. Your design will then be saved directly to your computer, ready for you to use wherever you see fit. This efficient method ensures that your images and designs are preserved exactly the way you envisioned them, complete with all necessary elements intact. And there you have it, a simple and direct guide to help you successfully save or download images from Microsoft Designer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.